Hello guys, welcome back to my channel None with QA Automation, and today we will look one of the most important feature inside the Java 8. So that is functional interfaces. So it was introduced in the JDK 8. So what is functional interface? A functional interface which has only one abstract method. An interface which has only one abstract method is called a functional interface. So how to use the functional interfaces? We can use in the two ways. Like one we can write it in the lambda expression and without the lambda expression. So lambda expression is a new important feature of Java which was introduced in the Java 8. It provides a clear and concise way to represent one method interface using an expression. Lambda expression is used to provide the implementation of functional interface, and it helps us in writing the less code. Means if we don't use the lambda expression, the functional interface will be like it will be the more lengthy code you need to write that. But when you are using the lambda expression, the same functional interfaces will be written in very less number of code or line of code. So here the syntax of functional interfaces, we can see only one abstract method inside that, and if you try to write out one more interface inside that method inside this interface, then it will give you error because of this at the rate functional interface annotations we are having. So what is lambda expression? So lambda expression is, like as I told, that it helps us in writing less code, less line of codes, and it is clear and concise. So this is a syntax of lambda expression. So we are having argument list and this arrow mark, and after that we are having a body of the lambda expression. So here we can see that we are having a no argument inside the this what is called uh, method. So method without any argument followed by this arrow mark, and this is a body. In the same way we are having one argument and this is a two argument. So this is a list of argument and this is a body and this is a arrow mark. In this way we can denote the lambda expression. So we will see one program like functional interface without the lambda expression. We can see we have created one interface dog here, and one method, abstract method, is present inside that bark, and we have noted it as a functional interface. So here we are not using what is called this lambda expression. So without the use of lambda expression, we can see one reference variable of dog interface, and this is an we can't create the object of interface. So we have written here new dog, and this is a body. So public void bark, and we have given the body. Inside the body we have printed dog barks, and after that uh, we have taken this what is called we have taken this reference variable and we have called out this method bark. So this is a like earlier we used to write in this way if we don't use the lambda expression. The same program we will see that with the use of lambda expression. Program with the use of lambda expression. Same we can say we have created a reference variable. This is a lambda expression with no argument, and after that we have given a body and write directly. We are not using this name of the method, so it is, we can say, kind of anonymous function. And after that we will call that method d.bark. So now we will write this program in the IntelliJ and we will see very quickly. So I will create one interface inside this, and the name of the interface will be um, dog. So in this I will write only one one method inside that. Public void and bark. So as it is a functional interface, so we will give this annotation at the rate functional interface, and it will have only one abstract method. So if we write any other method inside that, then it will give the error, because in functional interface it will have only one and one abstract method. We cannot write more than one abstract method. So we will write one class without use of lambda. I will implement this method without the use of lambda function. So we will write public static void main, and after that we will create one reference variable of dog d is equal to new dog, and we have overridden this method which is present inside the this functional interface. And after that we will print something, say dog is barking, if the semicolon, and after that we will call that method d.bark. And now we can run this program and we can see that. So if you don't use lambda expression, we need to write in this way, dog is barking. And after that I will show the same program, write the same program with the use of lambda expression. So I will take one more class, use of lambda. So I will write main method, and inside that we will take one reference variable of dog, and this is the syntax of lambda expression as I told you, and it will have the body, and this is a semicolon. So in this we don't have any argument as of now. As I told you earlier that we can have n number argument list and also no argument list. So in this we are having no argument list, and we will print something, dog is barking. See, we don't return any overridden method here. It behaves as an anonymous function, bark. So without the use of lambda expression we are overriding this one, but with the use of lambda expression we are not writing that name of the method bark. So it is a kind of you can say anonymous function. So after that we can call that dot bark. So dog is barking. So I will show you one more program which takes the two parameter. Like we will add two integers, we will add two numbers, and we will see that how it works. So I will take one interface, functional interface addition, and it will have one add method, int add, int a, int b. So it is a functional interface, then we need to provide at the rate functional interface annotation. What is the problem here? Add method, oh sorry, this should be interface. Let me delete this one. Write new Java interface addition. So here we'll have int add, which takes two parameter, int a and int b, and as it is a functional interface we will give this at the rate functional interface. And after that we will create one class in which we need to provide the implementation, Java class adding to num. So here we will write public static void main, and after that we will create reference variable of addition, and this is a syntax of lambda expression in which we need to pass the two parameter. It is taking two parameter. This is arrow mark, and after that you can add two number a plus b, and after that we can print it out. This call this method addition dot add, and we can give 1 and 1. It will add the two number, and we can run this program. See, it is adding the two numbers. In the same way we can create subtraction, addition, division, any type of program with the use of functional interface. So there are also inbuilt functional interfaces inside Java 8. So I will make a video on that one by one. Thanks for watching my channel, guys. Thank you very much. Bye.